So guys, I'll show you how to take care of your game console and this phone. So first thing you need to know is that following my tips may sound a little bit strange, but it will make your console wear out less and look better. And this will also fix sticky controls. Yes, instead of go getting a stupid new controller and paying $20 to get it fixed, you can get it fixed for free. If it's broke, if something's actually broke on it, then yeah, you're screwed. So what you want to do is, remember, keep it on a dusty area. If you do have a dusty area, you may want to do this more often. But every so once and often, do this trick and everything should be fine. So you get some alcohol. Sorry about the bad face up. I'm using regular alcohol. Get a cotton ball. And what you're going to want to start off with is the console. Now you're going to want to be careful. Don't touch the actual machine itself. But you want to polish it. Make sure it's damp but not dripping wet, because then it can get inside the console and ruin it. But if I can, I should have a light source. Wait, what happened to my light source? I don't have something to act as a light. I just have to find it. Okay, it was like stupid Minecraft torch. Alright, just try to follow along. So when you get on your Xbox, I have the Halo 4 edition. Can't really preview it good because bad video quality. If I can find that choice, I would be able to show you instead of having to bring my Xbox down. Oh, it's only take a second. We'll start with the drawing step. So to ensure your controller doesn't get really broken, I don't want to switch songs. Alright, the Alright song, no offense, but I've listened to it so many times it's not even good anymore. Like, literally. For listening to a song so much, thinking it was the crap, and then eventually like, yeah, I don't want to hear the song anymore. Yeah, sucks. Sorry, under my nose itch. Alright, so yeah, I have a YouTube account. Who doesn't? There you go. So, basically, I have a back controller, and what you want to do is simply get a damp alcohol and simply wipe all across it. This will ensure the buttons do not become sticky, as that is a problem and can really screw up your game. You want to get everything. Don't really matter so long as it's not dripping wet. What you get, it'll only ensure the controller's not dirty, but for sure. Now, if you have sticky analog sticks, you're gonna have to. I'll have to get a good camera angle, but. Okay, what you want to do is hold it forward. You might not want it on like I am, so I found that you want to push it right there. I'll get some of the extra stuff. Now you do it around, and when you're done, analog sticks should only be sticky. Do it with the other one, and if you have a sticky directional pad, just do the same. Maybe I shouldn't have my Xbox on by doing this. If you can, get inside the groove, and that can also be called, and there you go, you dumped your controller. Yeah, you done with your controller, do that with the other one, or whatever one you have. Time for the Xbox. I won't do the same thing. However, if your controller is really dirty, you might want to swap it out. Mine is pretty clean. Use it every once in a while, and your controller shouldn't collect too much dust. But we all know that you get some Cheeto fingers after eating a good old bag of Cheetos or Takis or whatever. You touch all over your controllers. Next thing you know, your character's jumping and moving without you, and you fall off a cliff. The problem is, to get your save restarts. Meaning that the last checkpoint, when you were so close to a specific checkpoint, now you have to refight all those super bad guys that gave you, that you spent an hour having to fight. And if you're in games that are hardcore, you probably lost your stuff, especially if you're playing Terraria and have it normal, or or stuff like that. Alright, so I'm going to turn off my Xbox, unplug it just for showcasing, and my hair is dusty. I can't really do anything about that. And so next now, carefully, I hope I didn't ruin it. Since this one's dirty, we're going to swap it out and grab a new one. But just grab a cotton pump, grab the alcohol. If you want, you can use a damp cloth for a better result on your Xbox, and less likely for, and will, if you want, for best results, use a little damp cloth. Doesn't matter if you use this, but that's only for best results. Now, with the Xbox, you'll have to be a little bit careful, especially when doing this, because you don't want to get inside of these, because that is actually open hardware alone. So we're just gonna pan across this. Now, this is the reason. See this? This is the reason why you. Oh dang! Already? Yeah, this is the reason why you want to clean your Xbox. I haven't been cleaning it recently because it can collect a whole lot of dirt, and that dirt. See this fan? Yeah, this dirt can get in your fan and eventually make your fan blow out. Make sure this will do your Xbox a whole lot of good, and make sure that makes it so that you're less likely to get that dust in your Xbox. Because doing this can actually make you stop probably a year's worth of not owning an Xbox, playing on your stupid phone. Michael? Now, no, bad comparison. Playing on your Game Boy. Playing the worst game there is on your Game Boy. Because you lost all yours. Imagine that picture. Okay, I'm not making fun of the game for it, but I never even played it. I've only played it once. Boy, was there some good memories, and yet I'm only 11. My aunt was the only one. You know, you want something new, why don't you, if you're a child like me, who was born in my range, why don't you ask your parents, go buy me a 64. Look through your parents' stuff until you find one. You'll actually get fun games. I haven't even played a Nintendo 64, but my parents are broke. They can't afford the stupid PlayStation 4, Xbox One. I've asked my aunt, which buys me $200 worth of stuff for Christmas. That's how much she cares about me. And if she can't buy a PlayStation 4, when she can buy me $100 of gifts and then $100 more and another $100, then that tells you something. So yeah, we're going to want to clean this because this muck, look at that. You're also going to want to get right here, as it will prevent, ew, look at that. Oh, disgusting. You see that? You see that dust in there? Ew, disgusting. This is the reason why you want to do this, because if you don't, same thing will happen and your fan will be kaput. Mine's halfway, but I'm going to continue trying to use this. Look at all this muck. I may have to get a brand new just to do that. I do not want to get any of this muck. Okay. Here it doesn't matter too much, because that's not open hardware. That is. And this is also open hardware, meaning that open technology that you can damage your system. Because of course that's because plugging it up actually, yeah, if you don't know it's open, hardware of its thing, meaning that it's open, but the only reason for that is so that you can give it power and so that it can work. So it's kind of required. Okay. You look at all this dirt. Oh, disgusting. I had to use 2 in the video already. There's a reason why you have to polish it. Every 2 to 3 weeks, I'd say. If you have it in a nice, tidy spot, you might have to do every 2 months, maybe. I'd recommend doing it every a couple of weeks to every month to ensure best quality. But I haven't been doing it recently. That's because, I had schoolwork, because I'm at school, and I've been trying to catch up my work. Okay. So now let's clean it some more. Ew, look at this. Oh, look at all that grime. Oh my lord. Oh my lord. Look at all that grime. Ooh. That is horrible. Look at all that stupid grime under there. Wow. Okay, let me finish polishing the Xbox. Oh yeah, just so you know, Xbox 360 does contain an external battery. And when you plug it in, it powers that battery. Except battery is not like a phone battery. In fact, after unplugging it, after losing the current, the battery actually